Now we discussed about representing a linear equation algebraically and graphically. Next topic is graphical method of solutions of a pair of linear equations. We found that we can represent a linear equation as points on a graph. That is, you will get a line on the graph. We can graphically represent a pair of linear equations as two lines. The lines may intersect, may be parallel, or may coincide. This you have seen in the previous question, how the equations line coincides. The existence of solutions for a pair of linear equations depend on the behavior of lines representing the pair of equations. We'll see it in detail. The first one, here you can see two lines. The first line is representing x plus y equal to 10 and the second line is representing x minus y equal to 4. The two lines intersect at a single point. You can see the point is named as 7, 3. The coordinate x coordinate is 7 and y coordinate is 3. So let me see what is the peculiarity. In this case, the pair of equations has a unique solution. One solution for that two equations. They are known as consistent pair of equations. If the equation has a unique solution, such a pair is known as consistent pair of equations. So, if the line intersect in a single point, the pair of equations will have a unique solution and such equations are known as consistent pair of equations. Next one, this you have learnt in the previous slide. This is the same example. The line is showing x plus 2y is equal to 1300 and 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. If the lines coincide, the equation will have many solutions and such pair of equations are known as dependent consistent pair of equations. Now you can see this line represents 2x plus y equal to 160 and this small line represents 4x minus 2y equal to 300. These two lines never meet. They are actually parallel to each other. In such case, the equations have no solutions. Such pairs are called inconsistent pair of equations. Exercise 3.2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. This is just an extension of your previous 3.1. Here you are going to find the solution of equations. First one I will discuss it here. The second one you can do it. The detailed notes are given in your notes session. Okay, let's see the first question. 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Students, I told you read the word problems and identify the variables. Here, which are the variables? Number of boys and number of girls. So, we are taking x as the number of girls and y as the number of boys. How many students are there in total? 10. That means number of boys plus number of girls is equal to 10. We'll take it as x plus y equal to 10. Girls are more than boys. So, x minus y. In your question, the difference is given as 4. So, x minus y equal to 4. So, after reading the word problem, you got the variables are the number of boys and number of girls reading the equation, you found the relation between them, and at last you got the two equations as x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 4. What is the next step? Finding the values for x and y. X is an independent variable, so you can put any values for x. Corresponding y values you should calculate. X you can take and y should be calculated. This table is for x plus y equal to 10 and this table is for x minus y is equal to 4. Here you can see that the lines coincide with each other. Students, 1 second. You can see the graphical representation is as follows. This is x plus y equal to 10 and this is x minus y equal to 4. Where is the intersecting point? The intersecting point is 7, 3. X value is 7, y value is 3. So the solution of the equation is 7, 3. Clear? So this is today's session. We'll end it here. The next part of your exercise 3.2 will be discussed by Simi ma'am. So what we have dealt today? We have dealt what are linear equations. How can you represent a pair of linear equations in two variables? How to read a problem, analyze it and construct a pair of linear equations in two variables. Represent the equations graphically and algebraically. Then graphical method of solution of a set of linear equations in two variables. If you don't understand the video when you watch once, repeat it and make the concept crystal clear. Thank you. Have a nice day. You will have a revision test here and copy down the notes. I am not telling you to copy all the steps which I have given in your notes. Read it and note the important points. Make it short and write in your notebook. Thank you.